Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to Mr. Lucky's Workshop. Today I'm just going to show you how to make cold brew coffee. A lot of people like it. You can get it at all your major coffee chain stores. There's no magic, no voodoo, no special equipment involved. So all you need is plain mason quart jar, water, and your ground coffee. And that's that. And we're going to let that sit for 12 to 18 hours. Let it sit at room temperature, and then we're going to filter it out. So now the coffee is brewed about 18 hours. So I use my Chemex to filter out the grounds. It's 1-to-1. Concentrate the water. And now that cold brew is ready to drink. Let's give it a try. So I take mine with a little bit of cream. Sometimes I add sweetener, sometimes I don't. Hey, thanks for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, I appreciate it. I hope you like it. I hope you try it. I hope you really enjoy cold brew coffee. As usual, it'd be great. Like, subscribe. Thanks for coming to Mr. Lucky's Workshop.